What's going on, everyone? Welcome to the fourth and final part of our new turboback exhaust system install. As you can see, I already have my ForceWorks diffuser off. Marc has already started on taking off the APS 3-inch catback, and you saw us unbox it in the last video of our new Invidia full titanium, which I will put a link in the little annotation notes up above. So yeah, I'm gonna watch Marc do this, and then we will start installing the full titanium one. It's on. That was super easy because it's so fucking light. Pretty much just these two bolts right here and these two bolts right here. But yeah, now we're gonna try and line up the diffuser and make sure this exhaust clears that diffuser. Okay, we got the exhaust on. Marc has finished cleaning up all of our fingerprints so it doesn't get burned into the titanium. We're gonna lower it down, pull the car out, and give you guys a before and after sound clip. So, until next time, guys, later. Bye!